Hello and welcome to our Altrady tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the world of market orders, a fundamental tool for every trader. In this video, we'll guide you through how to place a market order in Altrady and discuss when it's best to use this type of order. A market order is the simplest way to buy or sell cryptocurrency instantly at the current market price. It's all about speed and immediacy, so they are ideal when you need to execute a trade quickly. Market orders are often used in situations where getting into or out of a position quickly is more important than getting a specific price. Please note that with market orders, you're trading convenience for precision. You trade immediately, but the price may be different from what you see on the screen, especially in volatile markets. Let's jump into how to set one up. Placing a market order in Altrady is straightforward. Follow these simple steps. Choose the market for which you want to place the order. In the trading widget, select the market option from the order types. When entering the order size, for some exchanges, you can specify the order size in amount of coins, and for other exchanges, you must specify the value of the coins. A few exchanges offer both options, and you can select which value you want to specify. Then, fill in the amount or value of the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Now, review your order details and confirm the order. In most cases, your order will be filled immediately. And that's how you place a market order in Altrady. By mastering market orders, you take a big step towards strategic trading. For more trading tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!